It's time for Jim and Stop Trading.
Carl, earlier I mentioned enterprise software and the problems with it. There's one company that seems to be immune because it's now the king of cyber, which is Crowdstrike. Now, they report June 4th. This company has yet to miss a quarter since it came public. George Kurtz, and they have a terrific business. That's the last remaining domino, and I don't think that domino is going to fall.
This is the Mizuho note today, I think, on software. Keeps getting worse as all types of software prints are sold, both good and bad. Feels like no way to win. Yep. Always darkest before the dawn.
See, that's I moonlight. That's a piece I wrote under pseudonym.
Pseudonym.
Yeah. Okay. But I have a show tonight to end all shows. I've got the 3 C's. I have Salesforce, I've got Cadence, and I have Chipotle.
Wow.
Because,
what a show.
Yeah, and I'm going to Gemini those guys.
What a show. You're going Gemini, not ChatGPT?
Yeah, I'm going Gemini because Chat, I got to give Chat a break. Chat's tired from me.
Chat's a little getting tired.
Chat's gassed. But anyway, look, I think I'm going to reiterate that I would be a buyer here, that I think things are overdone. I think there's an end-of-the-month program, and I kind of like what I see, and I just gave you a preview of my conference call.
We didn't mention Chewy's buyback. We didn't mention Robinhood's buyback, Jim. Double that.
There's a good example. Well, David was talking about, like, individual stocks cease to matter. Yet here we have Chewy reporting great numbers. Dick's obviously made your whole year on that one today. And I just find people are, Robinhood is a $17 billion company, and they're buying back $1 billion worth of stock. And, like, what is that, nothing? I mean, these are just, yes, okay, American Airlines was not good.
Well, he did start the show by talking about enterprise software potentially being weak. It didn't sound like the most positive tone.
You just heard my piece that I wrote for Mizuho. No, and Mizuho piece is really.
You know what is working?
No.
GoDaddy. JP Morgan goes to 175. There's a good-looking chart if you're talking small business creation.
Well, there you go. There you go. I bet you JP Morgan's up on the news that Jamie may or may not. What were the periods you gave?
Could be 3 years and 4 months. Could be 4 years and 7 months. Could be 3 years and 9 months. Could even be 2 years and 8 months.
This is why people pay their cable bill, because of what you just heard. Right there.
Or I could stay for another 5 years.
That's
entirely. And then be chairman for another 5 after that. Who knows? We'll see what the board says.
Cordless people all over the country are trying to reattach their cord because of that.
They are.
And Lulu, which is now overly.
It's the kind of insight America really, and the world really needs. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Club tomorrow, noon. Don't miss it.
Or tonight. It looks like a show, Jim. We'll see at 6.
Why does he make fun of me?
Never.
Because you let him.
only
Mad Money, 6 p.m. Eastern Time.